Dayforce allows employees to reset their password through the login page or self-service portal. The process is quick and usually takes under 2 minutes. Steps to reset password. Go to your company's Dayforce login page. The URL is provided by your employer, for example, yourcompany.dayforcehcm.com. On the login screen, click the link below the password field that says Forgot Password or Can't Sign In or Reset Password. Exact wording may vary. Enter your username, usually your employee ID, first name, last name, or email address. Check with HR if unsure. Click Submit or Next. Dayforce sends a password reset link or one-time code to the email address tied to your account, the one on file with HR or payroll. Check your inbox and spam or junk folder for the email from Dayforce or Ceridian. Click the reset link, valid for a limited time, usually 30 to 60 minutes, or enter the code. Create a new strong password. Must meet requirements, typically 8+ characters, uppercase, lowercase, number, special character. Confirm the new password and click Save or Submit. Log in with your new password.